What's up this day? Day 2 of my video vlog. My mom dude done kicked me out of my goddamn house. You know, I got on them, walking with my J's on, you know. About to pass them. Damn, it's hot. Trying not to curse as much on this one. They said the last one I kind of cursed too much. I don't care. That's just me. That's my lingo. You don't like it? Fuck you. No, I'm sorry. I got people looking at this. Oh, look. Hey, forget you too then, nigga. Here got the generation our future right here. The little kid, the little chillins. I'm gonna show y'all the little kids. Hope they don't go in before I walk over there. They ain't gonna mind though. But we stay in the desert. Woo. Little badass kid. Just bad, boy. Each one of them kids. Dang, she fine. I wonder if she got a man. Hey! Man, she could have said hey back to me. I got a long walk though. Look at the little children over there playing. Little kids on the playground. Say hey! Okay, dog. Okay, I guess nobody want to say hey to me. That's cool. I should though. It's hot. Look at that little. Man, a square dude. Check the footwork. Check my footwork. Boy, look at that. Look at that. That same nigga that drove past me didn't want to say hey to me. Now look at it. I know him. Hey. Damn. Nobody don't like saying hey to you, boy. It's like 70 some degrees outside. I'm out here in a jacket, in a long sleeve jacket. I need to be shot. I hear another car. Hey, come pick me up. Can I roll with you? Oh shit. Trying not to make this video long though. I'm gonna experience nature in every way, every form of fashion. Screaming no new friend, no new friend, no new friend, no. But I done find me some shades. Oh, man, how I look? I look fire? I look gangster? Heck yeah, it might be fresh. Hell yeah, she ain't never met a trail nigga like me to wear some, what the hell is these? Oh, it's now somebody done dropped some Ralph Lauren shade. Look at it, look at it. Oh, you can't see, you can't see it right now though. Can't see it right now, I gotta zoom in later though. Somebody done dropped some polo shade, my nigga. As you say, I'm coming up in the world. Man, this junk itchy though, bro. Whoever dropped it, I know they mad. I'm gonna get this to my girlfriend for her birthday. I'm saying I bought you some Ralph Lauren. Oh man, she'll be pissed the fuck off. Oh, my bad. I ain't mean to curse. I'm still working on that and I'm trying to be a better person. Look at that. They say don't be walking on the yard. And then, dang, that's a long ass walk. Okay, they gonna glass up, my nigga. Hot as the heck out here. Ooh, we be like, uh, 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 uh. That's right. I get booked by my dance here. Uh, 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 uh. Nah. What's that, man? But basically, I don't even know what to do today. It's boring as heck. All that night, I'm some name. Though. Look at that sun. Oh, look. Oh, I'm about to kill it. 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 You like my dancing? You want to see the X-rated version? You got to subscribe or pay for it. I ain't got no PayPal yet. When I get some, when I figure out how to use the PayPal, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gone. Head to the playground. Met some kids right quick. See y'all tomorrow, I guess.